Hello friends, welcome back to Mayachitra Photography YouTube channel, and today we are doing one unboxing video. And I have purchased a new projector system for watching movies. I have been planning to get one for myself. Finally I got it. I'm quite excited. So the one I am unboxing today is Epson EF 12. There is a Epson EF 11. This is 12. I have seen this product at one of my friend's house. I really liked it, the quality. I just got the same product and I'm quite excited. So I have purchased it through Amazon. So the actual price is $8.99, and the shipping price including taxes somewhere around 967 bucks. So finally I got it last evening. So we are doing this unboxing. Let's go. So it seems there is another box. The actual box. Okay, good. So
What is this packet?
there's nothing in it. Let me keep it aside. So to give some idea how much this is the size. So Dhruva, can you get me a phone there? Anyway, so here is a phone case keeping next to it so that you will understand how big is the size. So this is box size. Probably the actual projector is probably would be much smaller than the box. Yeah, obviously. Let me take this out.
Amma. ఇది దాంది. I'm calling Amma.
Quick. So here is some setup manual. Probably I would need it initially. I will do it later. As I mentioned, see, you can clearly see this is much smaller piece. Oh, I did not expect this. Even the width is also small. I was expecting this is maybe a little taller. What else we got here? Let me see. There is something inside. Let's see. Okay, so of course there is a remote, and there is a cable, power cable, and I think it's a probably power adapter. So just like the usually we get for laptops, right? So these two things will go together. Yeah, I got it. So I will keep it aside, and they have given two batteries. I think these are AAA size batteries, I believe, probably for the remote. So other than that, so there's nothing. We got manual and remote, power adapter, couple of batteries for remote. So that's it. Let me clean this up. And okay, so this is the actual projector. Look at this. Wow, this is cool. Look at the size. Not bigger than my fully open hand. This is cool. So, and they mentioned it is sound provided in this as part of it comes, the sound speaker system comes as part of the projector itself, and it is by Yamaha. So obviously we can expect some good quality sound from this itself. And there is a few buttons for turning on, and I think some different options, Bluetooth, volume controls. So it looks far better than the picture. That's what I would say. The quality, surface quality is too good. So we got few controls here, USB, couple of HDMIs, and some audio output too. So like we can also use it for headphones or some external speaker system, and here is a power port. So this is good. And so as I mentioned, it is Epson EF 12. It is Epson EF 12, not 2. Okay. Yeah. So what else probably we should talk about it? That's it. Oh yeah, this actual side. So I don't know why they have designed it that way. See, look at that lens. It looks like a partially covered by this, right? Probably that is for it is like that for some reason. So I will get to know about it probably when I make some adjustments. Maybe it will move further up to do such some adjustments. I don't know. This is probably used for some focusing system, I believe. This is for actual projection, and this could be used for some laser. It might be transmitting some laser to make certain adjustments against the surface. So that's all we can talk about it from now for now. So I'm quite excited. What I got in this box is the actual projector. I'm quite really impressed with the size of it. So this costs $900, and I'm sure the quality also will be, you know, fulfilling with the price. And we got power adapter. There is a remote. Yeah, if you look at the remote, it's just very lightweight, and this is a Bluetooth remote, not the point one. Usually the TV remotes, we have to point to the device or the TV we have to control, right? This one works with Bluetooth. So once this is connected to this guy projector, irrespective of its position and direction, it will communicate to that, just like the speaker system. So that is good thing about it. There are different controls for it, probably quite related to the projection styling. I will get to know more about this. There is a mic button given. Probably you can give instructions voice recorder. So that's going to be, say, I can say, hey, play some music from YouTube, so and so movie and so and so song. That would work. And look at this.
This one is like...
There is a YouTube button given directly. So they assume this projector quite used for YouTube videos. So that's why they have given it and handy. That's about it. Hope you liked it and you got some information about this projector. I'll see you in next video. Bye bye.
Yeah.